Alright, I got a 2018 Ford Fiesta 4-cylinder. We're going to be going on and replacing the low beam. So in order to get to the low beam, we need to take this part here out. So let's go ahead and take that out. This piece right here will be a little problematic sometimes to take it out, but it is doable. Once you take it out, just put it to the side, and down here our bulb will be right about here. All we're going to do is just turn it. Alright, once you twisted it out, you can now take it out. There's going to be a locking tab right here underneath it. Make sure to hold onto that, and then after that, gently pull it out. You'll be able to take it out now. Now we're going to we will grab our new one and install it. One thing I like to do before installing it back in, I want to see that it's actually working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to turn on the lights and we're going to see if it works. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the light. As you can see there, the light turned on, so that means we are good to go. So let's go ahead and install. Let me turn the car off. Alright, now with the car, now we're heading back. We're gonna go ahead and install this back in. So what you're going to do, you're going to have to make sure it goes back into the slotted area, and you're going to make sure you go on the right side, which will be going forward. So once that's in the slot, just turn it, give it a little wiggle test to verify it's good, and go ahead and install this. Alright, now that that's in, because as you saw, this thing lifted up, so I'm just going to close it. And that's how you do your light.